नमो नमः छात्राः सुप्रभातम student do you remember we learned परस्मय पद the let lakar yes when dhatu end with ti tah anti si thah th and me vah mah the let lakar परस्मय पद okay now today we will learn atmane pad let lakar atmane pad okay that called aap. Apa means Atmane Pad. Let's see, student. Now, Bhasha Sutram 3. Kriya Padani. That you know, Kriya Padani, verbs. And when verbs end with Pratyay, that time is equal to Dhatu plus endings is equal to Kriya Pada, verbs. Okay. Now, see, let Lakar, Vartaman Kal, Atmane Padam. Atmane Pada, Bhasha, one Apa. But first, see, Atmanepad Pratyaya. Pratyaya means endings. Te, ite, ante, pratham purush. Se, ithe, dve, madhyam purush. I, vahe, mahe, uttam purush. Do you remember? In Parasmay Paripratyay, ti, tah, anti, pratham purush. Si, thah, th, madhyam purush. मी वह मह उत्तम पुरुष but this is a आत्मनेपदी प्रत्यय आत्मनेपदी प्रत्यय difference ते इते अन्ते प्रथम पुरुष से इथे द्वे मध्यम पुरुष ई वहे महे उत्तम पुरुष now we have take dhatu bhasha they are already given bhasha prathama gana आत्मनेपद now more do you remember प्रथम गण चतुर्थ गण षष्ठ गण दशम गण येस प्रथम गण विकरण अ सी हियर प्रथम गण विकरण अ चतुर्थ गण विकरण य अगेन षष्ठ गण विकरण अ and दशम गण विकरण अय ओके now प्रथम गण विकरण अ now how to make क्रियापद आत्मनेपद क्रियापद they are given क्रियापद सूत्रम okay मूल धातु is a original धातु root गण विकरण now गण प्रथम गण and विकरण अ धातु is they are given भाष plus अ now see भाष sh is a halantya right that is a मूल धातु plus a is equal to धातुअंगम means dhatu anga means body bhash plus a bhash sh is complete there now pratyaya means endings bhash plus te is equal to bhashate what is the kriya pad bhashate okay student now next again mool dhatu plus vikaran bhash plus a plus pratyaya now ite now see bhasha plus ite sh is complete there and after e is there sh after e is there so sh what is the end sh a is there a plus e is equal to a that is a sandhi rule okay student a plus e is equal to a so here bhasha plus e is equal to bhashe and te as it is भाषेते. Clear? Now end. Ante. प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन form. Ante. Now again take मूल धातु भाष्य. It is vikaran a. Bhash plus a. Bhashya. Bhashya plus ante. Now see, student. There. Bhashya plus ante. A plus a is equal to a. That is a sandhi rule. But here, when adding the termination ante, okay, a is dropped. A is dropped. So one a is dropped. So what is remaining here? Nte. Bhashya plus nte. Bhashante. See here. Bhashante. What is the rule here? Pratham Purush Bahuvachana form rule. When adding the termination ante, that time a is dropped. So bhashya plus a, bhashya complete. Bhashya plus ante, bhashante is there, but a is dropped. So bhashya plus ante, bhashante. Clear, student? Next, bhashya plus मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन फॉर्म. अगेन भाष, ओरिजिनल धातु, मूल धातु, विकरण अ. भाष प्लस अ भाष्य. भाष्य प्लस से भाष्य से. सी हियर भाष्य से. अगेन मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचन फॉर्म. नाउ सी अगेन मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचन फॉर्म. देयर इज ई थे, ई इज देयर. So same rule of we used where Pratham Purush Dvivachana form, right? So that same rule we used here, Madhyam Purush Dvivachana form. What is the Pratham Purush and Madhyam Purush Dvivachana form rule? A plus E is equal to A, right? So here Bhashya plus A, Bhashya complete. Ithe, Bhashya plus ithe. So Bhashya, A is there. What is the end? A plus E, A. So Bhashya plus E, Bhashe. And the as it is. Bhashe the. Next, Bhash plus A plus Dve. Bhashadve. See here, Bhashadve. Okay. Next, see her student now. Bhash plus A. Bhashya. And Uttam Purush Ekvachan form and is E, only E. So that time A plus E, A. So Bhash plus A plus E, Bhashe. See here answer, Bhashe. Now here more one rule. When Pratyay end with Va and Ma, Vahe and Mahe, that time Bhasha. Okay, Dhatu, listen properly. Dhatu end with a but change to a. So bhasha change to bhasha. And vahe as it is, mahe as it is. So bhasha vahe, bhasha mahe. That is a rule. Okay, student. What is the rule? When ending with vahe mahe, that time you add there extra a before vahe and mahe. So bhasha, sha is complete and a is added there. So bhasha, a plus a is equal to a. So bhasha vahe, bhasha mahe. Clear, student here? Now see, they are given 1, 2, 3 numbers. That's nothing but 1 Pratham Purush Ekvachana, 2 Pratham Purush Dvivachana, 3 Pratham Purush Bahuvachana, 4 Madhyam Purush Ekvachana, 5th Madhyam Purush Dvivachana, 6 मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन. 7th उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन. 8 उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचन. And 9 उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन. See student, now now let's take one more dhatu, ram. Ram मै झालं. See ram sorry आत्मनेपद and प्रथम गण. प्रथम गण विकरण अ. So ram plus a, ram plus te, ramate. Next, ram plus a plus ite. What will answer there? Yes, ramete. Why ramete? A plus e is equal to a, ma plus e is equal to me. Ramete. Ram plus a plus ante, ramante. Why ramante? Now here, pratham purush bahuvachan. One a is dropped. So not answer will become the ramante. Okay, ramante. मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन. रम प्लस अ प्लस से रमसे. मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचन. रम प्लस अ प्लस इथे, again there e is there, so e changes to a, ramethe. And ram plus a plus dve, ramadve. Now उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन form. E is there. Ram plus a plus e, rame. Ram plus, next, ram plus a plus vahe, ramavahe answer? No, wrong answer, ramavahe. There is ramavahe. Why ramavahe? Because va, vahe and mahe, before you add extra a. So a plus a is equal to a. So ram plus a plus vahe, ramavahe. And mahe, ramamahe. So उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन form is ramamahe. Student here. Now they are given some dhatu. Okay, prathama gana, chaturtha gana, dashama gana, and shashtama gana. Okay, first is prathama gana, second chaturtha gana dhatu. This dish is shashtama gana dhatu, and puja is a dashama gana dhatu. Now see, they are only given प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन फॉर्म. ओके, प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन फॉर्म. सी धातु इज ए वंद. वंद प्लस ते, वंदते. वंद प्लस इते, वंदेते. व्हाई वंद प्लस इते वंदेते? Because there add a plus e is equal to a. Correct. A plus e is equal to a. That is a sandhi rule. And vanda dhatu is a prathama gana, and prathama gana vikaran o. Vanda plus ante, vanda plus a, vanda. Vanda plus ante, vandante, not vandante. Again that same rule. Why vandante? One a is dropped. Now see the next page. वंद. प्रथम गण आत्मनेपद. प्रथम गण विकरण अ. So वंद plus a, वंद, and endings. वंदते, वंदेते, वंदन्ते. प्रथम पुरुष. वंदसे, वंदेथे, वंदद्वे. मध्यम पुरुष. वंदे, वंदावहे, वंदामहे. उत्तम पुरुष. Clear? Now next is युध. चतुर्थ गण, and चतुर्थ गण विकरण या. See here. Now युद्ध plus या, युद्ध. Okay, ध is हलंत्य. So half ध and complete या is equal to युद्ध. Right? Now see, student. युद्ध. Ya is complete. So what is the end? Ya. A. Again A is there. Okay. Now युद्ध plus ते युध्यते. So प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन युध्यते. Next युध्येते. Why युध्येते? A plus E is equal to A. ध्य plus E is equal to ध्ये. युध्येते, युध्यन्ते, प्रथम पुरुष. युध्यसे, युध्येथे, युध्यध्वे, मध्यम पुरुष. युद्धे, युद्ध्यावहे, युद्ध्यामहे, उत्तम पुरुष. Next is disha. Now see, disha, shashtama gana, and shashtama gana again vikaran is a. Dish plus a, disha, sh is complete. Disha plus te, dishate. Disha plus ite, dishete. Disha plus ante, dishante. Disha plus se, dishase. Disha plus ithe, dishethe. Disha plus dhve, dishadhve. Disha plus e, dishe. Disha plus vahe, dishavahe. Disha plus mahe, dishamahe. Now listen again. Dishyate, dishete, dishante, pratham purush. Dishase, dishethe, dishadhve, madhyam purush. Dishe, dishavahe, dishamahe, uttam purush. Now next is puja. Dashamagana, and Dashamagana vikaran is aya. Now see, there's two letter O and Y. O is also complete and Y also complete. Okay. But puj is not complete. J is halantya. Puj. J plus a, puja, and Y as it is. So pujaya. We get form pujaya. Pujaya plus te, pujayate. Pujaya plus ite, pujayete. Pujaya plus ante, pujayante. Pujaya plus se, pujayase. Pujaya plus ithe, pujayethe. Pujaya plus dve, pujayadve. Pujaya plus e, pujaye. Pujaya plus vahe, pujayavahe. And pujaya plus mahe, pujayamahe. Listen again. Pujayate, pujayete, pujayante, pratham purush. Pujayase, pujayethe, pujayadve, madhyam purush. Pujaye, pujayavahe, pujayamahe, uttam purush. Now see student, here more one given dhatu, kru dhatu. Okay. Atmanepad, kru, atmanepad. There is little changes. So student, this dhatu with pratyaya and what all endings. Okay, as it is learned, as it is learned. Okay, kurute, kurvate, kurvate, pratham purush. Kurushe, kurvathe, kurudhve, madhyam purush. Kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe, uttam purush. Okay, student. Kru dhatu as it is learned. Okay. Again listen. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate, pratham purush. Kurushe, kurvathe, kurudhve, madhyam purush. Kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe, uttam purush. Okay, student. Now see here. Our atmanepat pratyay with dhatu have completed. So this these all dhatu, vanda, yudha, dish, puja, and kru dhatu. Okay, with this kriya pada sutram. Okay, kriya pada sutram and pratyaya. First write down atmanepad. This is your heading. After write down atmanepad pratyaya, this box write down. After write down kriya pada sutram, this box write down, and that after write down this page, Vanda, Yudha, Disha, Puja, and Kru Dhatu in your notebook. obvious in your grammar part. Okay, this is a grammar part. So here our Atmanepad dhatu with pratyaya have completed. Thank you, student.